How you doing, honey?
Nice and toasty. Thanks for the noodles.
You're welcome.
I like them like this actually. They're just crunchy. They got a little bit crunch to them. They're good.
Hey, good. Going down inside. And here's little Bree. Hello, little Bree. How you doing? Checking things out. Ooh. Want to take a look at what Mom's up to? Huh? June 12th, day 18. Still no word from Publishers Clearinghouse. The weather generally continues to get worse the farther north we go. We had a frustrating day yesterday, light winds, not much progress until the afternoon when the wind started to pick up. In the morning we were reaching under full main and working jib, but later in the afternoon we reefed down the main, took a couple of generous cranks in the roller reefing. Excuse me, but it turned out to be not enough. By 9 p.m., 2100 hours, the boat was almost uncontrollable in the high winds. We were having problems with some of the rigging. One of the sheets is chafing through. It's not still okay, but you got to keep an eye on it. One of the jib sheets. The main sheet tackle keeps slipping through the cam cleat under high pressure. So, of course, that's easily dealt with. Just throw a couple of half hitches around the tackle. But basically, last night the wind piped up so strong that we couldn't control the boat anymore, so we took the main down and hove to for a while. And then this morning, very little wind at first, but it's picking up now, and rain. Oh yeah, did I mention it rained all night very hard? And found out that my Henry Lloyd foul weather gear that I bought at the swap meet doesn't keep water out at all. I got soaked to the skin just sitting in the cockpit in the rain. But we're making progress. Right now we're on a heading of about 45 degrees, heading northeast towards our destination, making about 4 knots. And heading into what looks to be maybe a little bit clearer weather, but maybe not. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Today, as yesterday, it's completely overcast. Last night was one of the darkest nights I've ever experienced. There was absolutely no stars, no moon, no nothing. Completely black. The only light was coming from our masthead. Generally, rather unpleasant by Hawaii standards. That's really all I have to say this morning. Although occasionally, 18 days out, I'm still getting seasick. Unbelievable.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship.